Hello, everyone. My name is Roberto Castellanos. I am the director of Novamar Insurance Mexico. And as part of our conversations with experts in the expat community in Mexico, we have today my friend and associate producer of Novamar, Justin Barsketis, the CEO of Expat Insurance. Thank you, Justin, for your time.
Thank you, Roberto, for your time.
Thank you, Justin. And so now we would like if you can share with us who is Expat Insurance, where are you located?
Awesome. Yeah, so expatinsurance.com is a marketplace for health and life insurance for expats living abroad. And also, if you live in Mexico, we offer P&C lines through our partner, Novamar. Our company was founded, I would say about in 2012, way back in the day, where we used to only sell medical evacuation insurance. And then eventually we realized, people needed more comprehensive solutions for health insurance abroad. And so we started a firm called WeExpats.com that sold mostly health insurance. And then in 2018, we decided to make the purchase of expatinsurance.com and launch that company. And here we are today.
And you are located in San Miguel de Allende.
So our main office is in Salt Lake City, but we also have a partnership with Novamar to open an office in San Miguel de Allende at Plaza Angel, which is near the La Jolla Hospital.
Excellent, because in San Miguel de Allende, there's a huge community of Americans and Canadians living there for many years. So, Justin, why did you decide to ally with Novamar?
Property and casualty insurance in Mexico is kind of complicated, especially things like claims, like auto thefts, things like that. And we wanted to partner with an expert in Mexico that really specialized on that, so that we can just partner up and receive the expertise from Novamar, almost like an MGA.
Yeah, and also I am also amazed about the structure that you have as an expat insurance, about your office. Tell us about the structure you have to serve the expat community in Mexico.
Yeah, so we are an MGA as well. So I don't know if you guys know what an MGA is. It's a master general agent. And so we go around and collect a bunch of brokers around the world and collectively combine our production and get better contracts and also better support from the insurers. So we have a big network of brokers all around the world. But also in San Miguel, we have a claims team that really helps you with medical claims abroad. I don't know if you guys know, but medical claims in Mexico can be pretty hairy sometimes. There's a lot of predatory hospitals, poor medical records, things like that make claims very, very difficult. So we have a full support team of about 15 full-time employees that can help you with all of your claims, renewals, things like that. And we also have a vast network of specialized brokers to handle any type of risk you might have, no matter how complicated or how big of an issue you might have.
And what are in your experience in Mexico, the most common questions that expats brings to your office when they are buying a house or they want to buy an automobile in these regards?
Yeah, people, I'm always surprised the lack of planning people do coming down. We have people all the time will come and be like, oh, I just bought this house. Can I get homeowners insurance for it? And they might be like right along the ocean with no storm shutters or something like that. We'd be like, you're in a very, very high risk zone. Your house might get taken out. For health insurance, it's always pre-existing conditions, as they're very difficult to get covered abroad. So we have, over 15 different providers that can help analyze your health and get you the best possible solution. For life insurance, it's very, very complicated as an expat living abroad, as you have tax implications of multiple countries, things like that. But yeah, I guess generally a lot of people just ask us, how do you move to Mexico? So do we know any visa facilitators? How to get a tip? What's a temporal visa versus permanente? A lot of things like this. Our brokers are kind of specialists in all things related to moving to Mexico beyond just insurance, but insurance is definitely our bread and butter though. So don't call us unless you have an insurance question, but we will talk to you if you do.
Justin, can you tell us about your insurance experience and expertise and how this is helping the expat community in Mexico?
Yes, so me personally, I have about 10 years of experience as an insurance broker, all in international insurance. I'm licensed in the US in health, life insurance, and property and casualty. But the main thing is we work with both international and domestic carriers around the world. So no matter your risk, we most likely can insure it. The main risk we deal with are unique pre-existing health conditions, things like that. We have access to over 50 different insurance policies that we can apply to try to get you the best offer possible on your health. When you have advanced life insurance strategies as well, such as cross-purchase agreements in companies, or if you have an advanced estate, we can work with CPAs in the United States and more advanced estate planning for you to ensure that your international asset strategy is very comprehensive. For the products we offer, health insurance, life insurance, travel insurance, auto, home. Occasionally, we can do commercial insurance with Novamar. That's actually one of their specialty is business liability insurance. But any type of risk you have as an international client with multiple residencies across the world, we are there to really help make sure you get the best coverage possible. Lastly, we are client advocates as well. We do not work for any individual insurance provider. We are there for you to make sure that as a client, your best interests are put ahead of anything else.
I see. And what are the Novamar insurance products that you provide to the expat community?
Yeah, so through Novamar, we have forced auto policies. So anything that's not, any cars that aren't plated inside of Mexico, we can insure from like Canada or United States, for example. We also do domestic car insurance policies if you buy a policy or a car in Mexico. We have homeowners. So if you have a house or perhaps an Airbnb rental or something like that, we can get you liability insurance for that. And then obviously we have health and travel insurance through the Mexican national carriers. We like to use MapFreight with Novamar, but there's a variety of providers that we work with Novamar for.
Where the expat community in Mexico or people that are planning to come to Mexico, how they can reach you?
So we have our website, expatinsurance.com, and we're actually launching a new company soon. I don't know if I've told you about it, Roberto, but we bought nomadinsurance.com as well. So if you're kind of like an older, more established resident, go to expatinsurance.com. But if you're a nomad like me, where you travel the world all the time, nomadinsurance.com will have more specialized global products.
Oh, that's a great name. That's a great name, because now that there are the digital nomads, so that you can be in the screen, but physically you are in Iceland, or you are in Greek, or you are in South Africa.
Yeah, these domains aren't cheap, but we've decided to swoop them up. I have a lot of digital marketing experience as my background, so I always view it as our website's more of connect partners together. So, like our property and casualty would connect you to Novamar, and we have actually some mutual actual licensed brokers that we share as employees that can help you since we have so much production. But yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Justin. And I hope that the people, our friends that they are looking at this video, they can reach you and find all the solutions that they can find in your website and with you and your staff. Okay,
yeah,
say hello to your parents and everybody there, and look forward to see you soon. And thank you everyone for watching this video. We will be back soon.